The length of a side of a triangle in geometric progression, the longest side has a length of 36 cm and the perimeter is 76, and find the length of the shorter side. So what we can do is actually we can put A, the longer side. So suppose you know actually inside a triangle there can only be 3 terms, right? So if they are in geometric progression, what we can do is we can actually list out these 3 terms as maybe one of the sides A, the other side can be AR, the last term can be AR square. The longest side has a length of 36 cm. Okay, so we can also say that, you know, AR square, okay, given that okay, R is greater than 0, AR square, you can assume that AR square is equals to 76. Sorry, not 76, 36. We can assume that the longest side, assuming the AR square is the longest side, you can say that AR square equals 36. And we can also assume that the parameter is 76, so A plus AR plus AR square is equals to 76. Right, this is equation 1, and you can also sub equation 1 into 2, and we can say that, you know, if we sub 1 into 2, right, we just have A plus AR, and AR square is 36, so we have 36 equals AR square plus 76 equals 76, and then A plus AR is just equals to 40. This means that A bracket 1 plus R is equals to 40. And yeah, what do we do from here? Okay, so maybe you can call this equation 3. Alright, next, how do we find the length of the shorter? Meanwhile, how do we find what is A? We are given that if you look at, you know, just taking 1, you compare 1, then you actually compare 3, right? It is possible that if you use equation 1, equation 3, you can actually make your A disappear. So for example, if I take 1 divided by 3, right, so very smart. Okay, you can just take, this is just AR square divided by A bracket 1 plus R, which is 36 over 40. And your A cancels out quite nicely. Alright, and you simplify on both sides, you have 40R square equals to 36 bracket 1 plus R. Dividing by 9 on both, 10 on both sides, is it? So it's dividing by 4 on both sides, you can have 10 and 9. So 10R square equals to 9 plus 9R. 10R square minus 9R minus 9 is equals to 0. And factorizing this, you will get 5R plus 3. 2R minus 3 equals to 0. Now what does that mean? So R could be equals to 3 over 2, or R can be equals to negative 3 over 5. Alright, but remember, our R is a common ratio, so it has got to be positive. Alright, remember, R has got to be positive. Okay, because in this case, your R, right, we are referring to the side of a triangle. So your R has to be positive, right? And observe, right, all the R has to be positive. Because if R is negative, so what does it say? You know, so it will be given. With that, right, given that R is equals to 3 over 2, and you just use equation 1, use maybe equation 1, right? R is equals to 3 over 2, and you know that you just sub maybe AR square, which is equals to 36, and A 3 over 2 square is equals to 36. This means that A bracket 9 over 4 is equals to 36, and therefore A should be equals to 16. Right, so therefore length of shorter side is equals to 16 cm.